In this tutorial, we look at how to download eBooks from EBSCO interfaces such as EBSCOhost and EBSCO Discovery Service on your computer and open them on Thorium Reader. To download eBooks, eBook download functionality must be enabled by your library. In addition, you must have a personal My EBSCO account. Click My EBSCO at the top of the screen and then click Sign In to My EBSCO. If you need to create a My EBSCO account, click Create an Account. On the Create Your Account screen, provide your information or click the Continue with Google button to create a personal account using your Google credentials. After creating your account, sign in with your credentials and begin searching for eBooks. We begin by conducting a basic search. Enter your search terms and click the magnifying glass. From the result list, click the eBook title to view more information about the eBook or select a full text format from the Access menu. If both EPUB and PDF formats are available for an eBook, you can select one from the Access Options drop-down menu. From the Details page, click the Download button to begin downloading an eBook to your computer. From the eBook viewer, click the Download button in the toolbar to open the Download tool. You can also download a chapter using the individual download buttons in the table of contents. After clicking Download on the Detail page or the eBook viewer, click Full eBook and select the number of days you wish to borrow the eBook. Note that some libraries offer a default duration without the option to choose one. When available, select whether you would like to download the PDF or EPUB format of the eBook. Click the Copy button to copy the Thorium Reader passphrase to your clipboard and then click the Download button. The passphrase can be used to access the title on up to 6 devices simultaneously. The eBook is saved in your browser's download folder and is added to the Holds and Checkouts area of the dashboard. Next, open the Thorium Reader application on your device. Note that if you would like to download the eBook to another device but forgot your passphrase, you can search for the eBook again and click Generate New Passphrase to create a new one. In Thorium, click the Import Publication button to import the eBook file into the application. Navigate to the download location on your device, select the eBook file, and click Open. The eBook is displayed in your library in the app. Click on the cover to open it. The first time you open an eBook in Thorium, you must enter the passphrase you copied to access it. Enter it in the field and click Open. Note that Thorium Reader will remember all your previous passphrases on the device on which the eBook is downloaded, so you will not need to re-enter your passphrase each time you open the Reader app on the same device. Depending on the eBook format downloaded, navigate the eBook using the scroll bar on the right for PDF eBooks or the forward and back buttons for EPUB eBooks. You can also use the progress bar at the bottom of the app to navigate the eBook. To learn more about the features of Thorium Reader, please see the Thorium user guide on Thorium's website. Some eBooks offered by your institution may be available without DRM, Digital Rights Management, restrictions. These eBooks do not require you to sign into My EBSCO to download them. In addition, no passphrase or Thorium Reader is necessary to read them. After clicking Download for a DRM-free eBook, click Full eBook, select a download format, and click the Download button. The eBook is saved in your browser's download folder and can be opened with the Thorium Reader application. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.